In front of me is HONOR X7c, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Now choose All Services and scroll again to tap on Autofill with Google here. Select Google Password Manager. Tap on any password you wish to check and enter your screen lock to tap on this eye icon, and this way make your password visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!